Let's explore the different roles, skills required, and career progression in the extensive world of big data. Here are some of the roles in big data. First, let's discuss about data engineer. Data engineers build and maintain data pipelines. They have expertise in extract, transform, load tools, and databases. Strong programming skills in languages like Python and structured query language are required. They also need to have knowledge of cloud platforms and big data technologies. Next, we have the role of data scientist. Data scientists analyze and interpret complex data. They are proficient in statistics and machine learning. They should know Python, R, and data visualization techniques. Business insight and storytelling skills are also important. Moving on, let's explore the roles of data analyst and big data architect. Data analysts collect and clean data. They use structured query language and business intelligence tools. They are responsible for trend identification and reporting, and strong communication skills are essential. Big data architects design data infrastructure. They are experts in distributed systems and possess a strong knowledge of Hadoop and Spark. They also lead technical strategy. Now, let's discuss machine learning engineer and business intelligence analyst roles. Machine learning engineers develop and deploy machine learning models. They require strong coding and mathematics skills, along with knowledge of frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. They also work with big data pipelines. Business intelligence analysts analyze business data for insights. They are proficient with business intelligence tools like Tableau and Power BI. They translate data into actionable strategies and require strong domain knowledge. Let's explore data operations engineer and cloud data engineer roles. Data operations engineers ensure data pipeline reliability. They automate data workflows and integrate DevOps with data engineering practices. Monitoring and incident management are also part of their responsibilities. Cloud data engineers build data solutions on cloud platforms. They should have expertise in Amazon Web Services, Azure, or Google Cloud. They manage scalable big data infrastructure and have security and compliance awareness. Now, let's explore the roles of data governance specialist and data analytics manager. Data governance specialists ensure data quality and compliance. They implement policies and standards and have knowledge of privacy regulations. Collaboration across teams is also essential. Data analytics managers lead data analytics teams. They develop analytics strategy and bridge the gap between business and technical aspects. Project and resource management skills are also necessary. You can start as a junior engineer or analyst, gain hands-on experience, and advance to specialized expert or management roles. Continuous learning, certifications, and staying updated with technology trends are key for growth. To succeed in big data roles, one needs strong programming skills in languages like Python, structured query language, and Java. A good understanding of big data frameworks like Hadoop and Spark is important. Knowledge of data modeling and architecture is also required. Cloud computing and DevOps basics are beneficial. Strong analytical thinking and problem-solving skills, along with effective communication skills, are essential. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.